Hi all, today we will discuss how to create SAP query using SQ01, SQ02 and SQ03 transaction. So first I will understand what is SQ01, SQ02 and SQ03 transactions. So this SQ03, this transaction code we use to create user group. This user group, under user group we define the users who can access infosets and SAP queries. Then to create infoset we use transaction code SQ02. So this infoset consists data source under which we include multiple tables and the linkage between those tables and the required join conditions. Then with SQ01 transaction code we create SAP query, and also in this topic we'll see how to create transaction code for the query which we created using SQ01 transaction code. So we'll just log in into system and we'll just check how we can create SAP query. So to create SAP query, in the first step what we'll do, we'll just create user group using transaction code SQ03. So to create SAP query, first of all we need to understand what is the basic requirement of this query creation, or for what purpose we want to create this SAP query. Let's assume you are working on SAP or in support project and you receive requirement from the business. They want some custom report. So in custom report, suppose they want a certain fields to be populated. So as per discussion with business, we come to know business want this field, this field information in their report. So let's say here they mentioned they want purchase order number, purchase order line item number, purchase order document type, company code, plant, item category and account assignment category. So these 6-7 fields they want in their report. So basically if you see these fields, so these fields are related to purchase order document. It means they want purchase order fields. Actually this requirement will be fulfilled by standard report like ME2N, ME2M, ME2L. But let's suppose actually they are expecting some additional field which are not appearing in any of the standard report. So in that case, suppose if you want to create custom report, so in that case we can go with this SQ01 SAP query creation solution. So to create custom report, what basic requirement we need, we want the required fields which we want to populate in our custom report. So these are the fields provided by business. So after getting this information from the business, we will start to create SAP query. So to start for SAP query creation, first step is we need to create user group. So to create user group we need to execute transaction code SQ03. So we'll just go into system and we'll run this transaction code SQ03. So execute transaction code SQ03. So here provide appropriate user group. So let's say here I am providing user group name like Z underscore user group. Then click on create. So here you can provide additional information or description of this user group. So here I am providing description of the user group for purchase order. User group for purchase order. Click on save. So here it will ask you to save your changes into the package. So here I am saving our changes in local object. So user group has saved. So here I am just mentioning what user group we created. We created user group z underscore user group. Then in the next step, or before going to the next step, what we'll do, if you click on this assign users and info sets button, here we will allocate our user id. So here I'm just allocating my user id. So here you can mention number of user, okay. So here we define, okay, the user IDs, okay, who can access our SAP queries and info sets. So in the next step, we'll create info set. So to create info set, execute transaction code SQ02, press enter button, and here provide appropriate name for the info set. So here I'm providing name info set. Then click on create, and here I'm just providing description info set for purchase order. Table join using basis table. So as we received requirement to create custom report for purchase order object, so for purchase order, okay, we have different database tables, right? So for purchase order we have a purchase order header table EKQ, then EKPO is a purchase order item data table, then for delivery date, schedule and information EKE table is there, then for account assignment data EKKN table we use, for shipping data we use EKPO table. But based on the requirement, what are the tables we need? We need purchase order header table, then for line item information we need purchase order item table, and for account assignment information we need EKKN table. So we need these three tables, okay, in our report. So for that purpose, what we'll do, we'll just here provide basis table or primary table name as a EKQ. Click on continue. So this will populate EKQ table as a primary table in your info set. Then to add further tables, click on this insert table button. The next table which you want to add is EKPO table. So enter EKPO table, then press continue enter button. If you want to add one more table, then again click on insert table button. So let's assume we want account assignment table information. So here we'll put EKKN table, click on continue button. So this is how you can add n number of tables in your info set. So here you can see SAP has automatically populated linkages between these tables. So first linkage is between EKQ and EKPO, and that linkage is between EBLN field as well as EBLP field. But as we know, in EKQ table we don't have EBLN like purchasing document line item field. So this is the incorrect link. So if you found such type of incorrect link, then you need to delete it. So how you can delete it? Select that link, then right click and click on delete button, or right click on it and click on delete button. So this is how you can delete incorrect link, okay, between your tables. Then in EKPO and EKKN table there are two linkages. First linkage is between EBELN field from EKPO and EKKN field. Then second linkage is between EBLP field from EKPO and EKKN. So these linkages are correct. If you want to check whether linkages are correct or not, what you can do, click on check button. If you click on check button, then it will throw message as defined join conditions are correct. But suppose if there is an incorrect join condition, then it will throw error, right? It will throw a relevant message. So here as join conditions are correct, so it's showing defined join conditions are correct message. So click on back button. So in this pop-up window, okay, what we'll do, we'll just go with create empty field group. Click on continue. So here in the left section, it will show what all the tables we selected, and on the right side section it will show the field group, okay, as per the database tables selected. So from these tables EKKO, EKPO, EKKN, we need to select required fields. So as per the requirement received from the business, what are the fields they want? They want PO number field, then PO line item number, PO document type, company code, plant, item category, and account assignment category. So looking at this field, okay, we need to know, okay, we should know, okay, this field, okay, present in which table. So this PO number field, okay, we will get in EKKO table, right? Then purchasing line item number, this field, okay, this line item number information we will get in EKPO table. Then PO document type, this field information we will get in EKKO. Then company code, okay, this will also available in EKKO table. Then plant, item category, and account assignment category, these three fields information available in, sorry, this plant information you will get in EKPO table, item category field also in EKPO table, account assignment category field also available in EKPO table. We just add a few more fields like GL account, cost center, and order. So these three fields, GL account, cost center, order, these fields available in EKKN table. Right? So these are the fields, okay, we want to populate in our report. So out of these fields, okay, out of all these fields, what business has confirmed in the initial screen of the report or in the selection screen of the report, on the selection screen of the report, they want particular field. On the selection screen of the report, they want particular field. What all the field they require? They require purchase order number on the selection screen, then document type, company code, plant, this field, okay, PO number, document type, company code, plant, this field they want on selection screen. And on output screen, they want to display all these fields. So this is the requirement we received from the business. On selection or input screen, they want only these 4 fields, and on output screen they want, okay, this all fields. So if we go to infoset screen, okay, as business confirm, okay, they want all these fields, so we will need to select all these fields, okay, in our infoset. So from header table, what they confirm, they want purchasing document number field. So we'll just select this field and drop in to purchasing document header group. Then they confirm they want company code field also, document type field also. So this is document category, this document type field. So here if you expand this field group purchasing document header, so here it will show purchasing document type, company code, and document number, right? Then from item data table, from EKPO table, they want item number field, right? So just select, just drag and drop, just select this field and drop onto this purchasing document item field group. After that they want plant field, and 2 more fields they confirm, and that fields are item category and account assignment category. So select this field and drop onto this purchasing document item group, then account assignment category. So from item table we selected required field. So minimize this purchasing document item. After that, business confirmed they want GL account information. So GL account field is EKK sector. So select this field and drop onto account assignment in purchasing document, and along with GL account they want cost center information and order information of null. So these are all the field, okay, they want to populate in their report. If you expand this second filter group, purchasing document item and account assignment field group, so these are all the field, okay, business confirmed to populate in their report. So after selecting all fields, just click on save button. Again save your changes in your package. So I'm just saving my changes in local object. Then after saving, click on generate button. So this will generate your infoset. So infoset has generated Z_infoset. So here I'm just writing Z_infoset. Then click on back button. So after creating this infoset, what we need to do, we need to assign this infoset to our user group. So to maintain linkage between infoset and user group, just click on this user group assignment button. If you scroll down, here it will show the user groups. So here from this list, okay, we have this user group, right? So this is the user group we created in the first step. Select this user group, click on save assignment button. So this is how you can maintain linkage between infoset and user group. So in the third step, we'll create SAP query. So to create SAP query, execute transaction code SQ01. SQ01. So here provide appropriate name for your query. So here I'm just mentioning ZPO report. I want to create query with this name, ZPO report. Then click on create button. So it will populate, okay, what all the info sets okay as associated to your ID. So here it shows Z_infoset, okay, which is created by us. So select this, and here provide name for your SAP query. So here I'm just provide name query for purchase order account assignment data, right? Query for purchase order account assignment data. Then click on basic list button. Stopping entry. Again execute SQ01, click on create, select the info set, provide the same name again, query for purchase order account assignment data. Click on basic list. Yeah. So this screen will appear. So as per the information confirmed by the business, so here you can see on selection screen or on input screen what field they confirm. So on input screen they want purchasing document number, purchasing document type, company code and plant field. So go to query screen. If you just move this bar towards right side, so here on the left side it will show purchasing document header field group, purchasing document item field group and account assignment field group. So from this group, header group, what field they want on input screen or selection screen. So from this header group they want document type, company code and purchasing document number or PO number. All these fields they want on their input screen. Similarly, same field they want also on their output screen, right? PO number, document type and company code. So here what we'll do, in the list field column we'll select this checkbox. If you select checkbox in list field column, then those field appear on output screen, and if you select checkbox in selection field column, then those field will appear on your selection screen or on input screen. So this is the difference between list field and selection field. Selection field means the field will appear on your input screen or initial screen. List field means those field will appear on your output screen, right? So just minimizing this header field group, then expand item field group. So from this item field group, what they confirm, they want plant field on selection screen as well as on output screen. So here what we'll do, we'll select this plant field in selection screen as well as on output screen, and rest field like item category, account assignment category, this field they want only on output screen, not on input screen. That's why here we'll just keeping the checkbox under selection screen column as a blank, right? We are not selecting checkbox for selection account assignment category and item category. After that, just one more field we forgot to select, item number. So this field also they want on output screen. So minimize this second field group, then go to third field group. So from the third field group, account assignment field group, they want all fields on output screen only. They don't want those fields on selection screen. So here what we'll do, we'll set only list field checkbox. Here you can see there is one more additional field group available. So this field group system will populate automatically. Okay, we haven't selected this text related fields. Okay, system will populate automatically this text relevant field. Suppose if you want to populate description of any field like plant or vendor or material something or cost center, then you have to select this text relevant field from this additional field group, right? On the right side, if you see carefully, here first field is appearing type, then company code, then purchasing document. So this field came in the sequence. Okay, it came in sequence according to fields we selected here on the left side, right? If you want to change the position of this field, that also possible, that I will discuss later. First of all, we'll see what all the fields we selected here. So we have selected document type, company code, purchasing document, then plant, item category, A means account assignment category, then purchasing document, line item, order, cost center and GL account. So out of all these fields, suppose if you want to change description of any of the column, let's say if you want to change the description of this COCD means company code field, right? If you want to change the description of this company code field, how you can change? Just click on it. So it will appear this field on the left side. So how much length is provided for this company code field? 4, right? So here I am just increasing length of this field. Let's say here I am just providing length as a 15. Then click on apply button, and from after increasing length and apply, now here you can change column heading. So I want to populate heading as a company code. So this is how you can change heading of any column, right? So after changing all the headings, okay, click on save. So this is how you can create your query. So click on back button. If you want to execute query, again click on back button. If you want to execute query, you can click on test button or you can click on execute button. Yeah, so here you can see this is your selection screen or input screen, and on the top it shows description of this query for purchase order, account assignment, data. So if you click on execute button, just keep this maximum number of entries 100, click on continue. So this will be your output. So here on output screen, here you see first field is coming document type, then company code, purchasing document number, plant, item category, account assignment category, item, order, cost center, right? But suppose if you want to change, position of this field, right? Type, company code. Suppose if you want first column as a purchasing document number, then company code, document type, it is also possible. So now we will see how to change position of the field on selection screen as well as on output screen. First of all, we'll see how to change position on the initial screen or selection screen. Let's assume currently here which field is appearing at the first, on the top, document type, right? But what business confirm, they want purchasing document number on the top, and after that they want document type, company code field, right? So to change position, what you do, you open this query in SQ01 transaction, okay, enter that query name, click on change button, then from the menu option click on go to, then click on field selection, then click on selections. So here you have to provide sequence, okay, in which you want to populate this field. Suppose here what business confirmed, they want purchasing document number field in first position, after that they want document type field, after that they want company code field, after that they want plant field. If you see here the checkbox, here this checkbox confirm, okay, which are the fields, okay, available on your selection screen. This item, the checkbox for item category field is not selected, it means this field is not available in your selection screen, right? Click on save, again click on test button, click on continue. Now see, okay, earlier this folder was available at bottom, right, but now it's appearing at the top. So this is how you can change sequence or position of your field, okay, in your selection screen. Now the next requirement is, if I click on execute button, here what they say, on output screen also, first field they want purchasing document number, after that purchasing document line item number, after that line item number, then document type, company code field. So on output screen also they want to change the position. So how to change position on the output screen? So for the, again go to SQ01, yeah, open the query in change mode, then go to settings. In the setting, in the menu option setting, again click on setting, just uncheck this graphical query painter, click on continue button, then click on basic list button. Here if you expand, if you click on this plus button or expand this, okay, here it will show fields which are appearing in your output screen. So from this field, what they confirm, they want purchasing document number, okay, in the extreme left in the first position, after that they want line item number in the second position, after that they want document type field, after that they want company code field, after that they want plant field, after that they want item category field, then they want account assignment category field, right, and after that they want order number field. So in this sequence they want to populate this field on their output screen. So according to their requirement, what we do here, we provided sequence, okay, for the output fields or output screen fields. Then click on save button. So if you want to simulate this or if you want to check this, again click on test button, click on continue, click on execute. So see, whatever the sequence we provided, in that sequence only we received output or we got output of the SAP query, right? So this is how you can change position of any column in your SAP query. Now if you want to provide this query to the end users, okay, if you want to provide this query to the end users, so if they want to execute this query or they want to run this query in production system, so that time, okay, they cannot execute because they don't have access for this SQ01 transaction code, right? So in that case, what we need to do, we need to create one custom transaction code. We need to create custom transaction code, okay, for the end users, and with that custom transaction code they can run this query in the production system. So now we'll see how to create custom transaction code for the SAP query which we created in SQ01 transaction. So to create custom transaction, what we do, first of all we need to execute SQ01 transaction. Then here enter your query, and for that query, first of all we need to generate program. Okay, so to generate program, what we need to do, we need to just in the menu option click on query, then click on more functions and click on generate program. Yeah, so program has generated. If you want to see what program has generated, what you do, again click on query, click on more functions and then click on display report name. So here it will display what report program has generated. So this is the program generated. So I am just copying this program name, putting in our notepad. So this is the program we generated. We just copied this program name. Now we'll create custom transaction. So to create custom transaction, execute SE93 transaction. So here we'll provide transaction. So here we'll provide transaction ZPO report. So this is the transaction code, okay, we want to create. So here I provided description as a Z_PO report. Then click on create. Here I am just providing description as a short text as a purchase order report with or account assignment, purchase order account assignment report. Okay. Then select second radio button, program and selection, report transaction, click on continue button. Then in the program field, okay, whatever the program we generated for our query, just copy this program and paste in the program field and click on save button. Then it will ask you to save your changes in the relevant package. So here I am saving my changes in the under local package. So transaction code has saved or transaction code has created. Now we'll see how to create how to execute this transaction code. So to what transaction code we created, Z_PO report. So enter transaction code Z_PO report, press enter. Yeah, so see, so with SQ01, okay, whatever the screen we found, okay, same screen is appearing with this Z_PO report transaction code. So click on execute, click on continue. Yeah, so this is the output, okay, we want, okay, with this transaction code. So what you can do after creating this transaction code, you can provide this transaction code to the end users. So with this transaction code they can execute, they can run the query in the production system. So this is about today's topic. Okay, thanks for watching, keep learning, bye bye.